What's up? I'm Chia, and today we are making a hidden 75. Grab a scoop, fill it with ice, put that bad boy aside while we build our cocktail, and we'll make sure that our cocktail is nice and cold and crisp. Grab your mixing glass. We are going to add 3/4 of an ounce of a strawberry rose syrup. Very, very easy to make. Literally just frozen strawberries, a little bit of dried rose petals, and some sugar and some water. Very, very yummy stuff. We're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh pressed lemon juice. Next, 1 ounce of beautiful Hidden Temple gin. It's got some wonderful Ontario botanicals like cedar and some bergamot in there. 1 full ounce of that in your shaker. Lastly, we want to do about 3 to 4 drops of Ni9 Hibiscus Bitters, just to balance everything out. Add ice and let's get shaken. Grab your shaker, make sure it's nice and secure, and shake. Empty your chilled coop, and we want to give this a beautiful fine strain. Make sure that there's no pulp. Look at that color. So fresh and vibrant. Last but not least, bubbles. Your choice, any kind. Treat yourself. And we're gonna get a little cutesy with the garnish because this is my Valentine's Day cocktail. I'm gonna put a little strawberry heart. I just cut